This video demonstrates how to use your access or activation code from Campion Education to help you easily activate your eText. Each publisher has different steps you will need to follow. This video will guide you through the process for activating a Jacaranda Learn On resource as a new or returning user, making it as easy as possible for you to get started. After you've ordered your eText through Campion Education, you receive an email containing the details of the eText you ordered, including your unique access code, the publisher website, and instructions on how to access your eText to get started. Start by clicking on the publisher link or enter it into your web browser. This will take you to the Jacaranda Plus homepage. If you have an existing Jacaranda Plus account, enter your student email address and click the Next button. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. On the Forgotten Password page, enter your email address from your existing account, entering the capture text, and click the Reset My Password button. Jac Plus will confirm that an email has been sent to your email address with further instructions. If you are a new Jacaranda Plus user, you will need to create an account. You can do this by clicking the Create Your Account button, found on the top right-hand side of your screen. In the User's School Details section, select your role as student from the drop-down menu. Select your state and your school type. Start typing the name of your school and select from the drop-down list that appears. Then click Continue. In the User's Details section, enter your first name, last name, and your student email. We recommend you use your school student email address, but if you don't have one or don't have access to it, use a personal email address. Enter a password that is at least 8 characters long. Scroll down and tick the box to confirm you have read and accept the license agreement shown. Then click the Create Account button. Jacaranda Plus will confirm that you have registered and will now request you check your login details. Check your student email address that you nominated and check your password using the Click to Show link in the password field. Once you can confirm that they are both correct, click Confirm and proceed. If you have an existing account, logging in is as simple as entering the relevant email and password, then clicking Sign In. Once you've registered or logged in, you'll be able to activate your Jacaranda Plus product. First proceed to My Bookshelf, then you will see the Add a New Title option at the top of the page. A pop-up box will now appear in which you will need to enter a registration code. You'll find your registration or access code in your email from Campion Education. Enter the code into the box and click Submit. This will open the successfully activated resource in a Learn On dashboard. From here you can navigate the title from the panel on the far left side of the page. To see all your other titles, click the Down button next to your name, found on the top right of the screen. Finally, select My Bookshelf from the drop-down menu to return. If you've had any problems or still need help, you can email our digital support help desk at digitalhelp@campion.com.au. Please provide us with your username, student name, the name of your school, and a brief description of the issue you are having. We hope you have found this video useful. For more help videos and step-by-step guides, visit us at campion.com.au.